Oh yeah. Say we out here mobbing. We out here skin to skin with it. Say ooh child. Say beautiful folks, how you doing? How you doing? Ooh child, welcome to the chat. Welcome to the chat. We out here skin to skin with it. Ooh child. And how you doing? How's it growing this GrandRising for you? Let us know how you doing. We want to make sure that we checking on our people to make sure they doing straight. You know what I'm saying? Make sure we just keep on growing and keep on going. You know what I'm saying? Say, ooh, child, you see me and Shorty out here skin to skin with it. Out here in this good sunlight. Look at the dog. Oh, damn. She got up. Ooh, child, how y'all doing? We're going to start changing the ideology. Instead of asking people how they doing, we're going to ask them, how's it growing? You know what I'm saying? Because it has content and a lot of things. And so when you ask someone, how's it growing? It's like asking the green bean, how's it growing? And they're going to say, towards the sun. You know what I'm saying? Feeling good, creating, innovative every day. Hey, I feel it. Hey, I'm happy everything going well your way. How everyone else doing? How's it growing your way? Today, Marley she's 5 months long. And so she just keep on growing. Each GrandRising that she opens her eyes, I'd be like, damn, Shorty. Not damn, because damn means stop. But she grows every single day. And so keep on growing consists of us in our mental life, our spiritual life, our physical growth, growth all around. And so if we keep on growing, we won't stay in the same place, because the only thing that is real is change. And as long as we can move with change, we can grow. You know what I'm saying? One thing I learned about plants is that they never stay the same. They keep on growing. See this peach? This peach will never be the same that it was 2 seconds. Look at this. Look, clarification. Look at that beautiful bird. Whew. Them hawks don't play around. They love it around here. Look at this peach. Look at this peach. One thing I can say about plants, they never stay the same. And I said that 2 seconds ago, and it's not the same that it was 2 seconds ago. You may not be able to see the growth, but trust me, the growth is happening. That's a beautiful thing about life. Just because you don't see the growth right now, but you keep on growing, moving forward, growth is happening. You feel me? And so that's why you just got to keep on going. Keep on glowing, keep on growing, and keep on living. And when we do that, we will see results. You know what I'm saying? Say, what's up? Say, oocha. Man, we out here skin to skin. We don't play around. When the sun out, we come out. You know what I'm saying? We got some new folks in the chat. How y'all doing? How's it growing? I want to make sure how y'all doing well. Oh, yeah, thank you. Hey, the plants do look good. I'm going to give y'all a little run through of what the plants look like in a second. Oh, we acquired a new family member. Let me show y'all a new family member. Exactly. Keep on living, keep on growing. Let's go ahead and pin that. That's how we rolling around here. We got a blueberry tree. Yes, indeed. We got a blueberry tree. Hello, beautiful. Look how beautiful. The grass looks so happy. It looks so happy. This is a blueberry tree. I'm not sure if y'all aware, but we got a foundation called the TREATZ Foundation. We plant trees to heal disease in tribal communities across the lands, because fruit trees have an abundance of antioxidants, phytonutrients, H3O2s, and all these beneficial properties to keep us living and keep us healing. And so one thing that I know about a tree, our DNA is identical to plant-like. And so we are plants. And so trees are very resourceful, sustainable, and they don't rely on much but the sun and just to be happy. You know what I'm saying? And so they always keep on growing. And so we got to think of ourselves as a tree and as plants, is because as long as the sun rises, we shall rise. Maya Angelou, still I rise. If it's storm, still I rise. Shadows, still I rise. No, beaten, beat up, punished, still I rise. No matter what, still I rise, because you still rise and you still grow. Still I rise, still I shine, and still I grow. Woo. You know what I'm saying? Maya Angelou. That was some bars right there. Let me take this off you, shorty. Oh, yeah. You out here in and out for real, Marley. Get some skin on her. How long did it take your peach tree to grow? So I actually got the peach tree from a grocery store. So it didn't have any peaches on it when I first got it. But as soon as we brought it to the crib and we put some love on it, we've been talking to it nicely and getting that divine energy, the peaches start growing immediately, to be honest with you. Same thing with our apple tree. We got an apple tree also. And so as soon as we brought this home, the flowers start to bud and so much. And so this, look, it's already starting. And so this apple tree is going to be producing apples soon. Yep. And then we got a lemon tree also that we recently transplanted into these buckets. And so as you can see, it's starting to grow more leaves on it. And so right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 trees. And trees, one of the things that's so beautiful is that with these trees, let me go ahead and post something up real quick for y'all. Keep on growing. You know what I'm saying? That's how we getting down. We keep on growing. And one of the main things, because Marley right here, she was a seed and she is a tree. And the way that we want to guide and share with her is that she is plant-like. And as long as we giving her the H3O2s, the waters, the nutrients that she needs, this seed should prosper to grow to a tree tall as the heavens. You know what I'm saying? Long as we water and give her the phytonutrients and the mineral properties and vitamins that she needs, she will be a tree tall as the heavens. She shall be able to touch the sun. Even though her physical body cannot, her soul should touch the sun. You know what I'm saying? And that's what keep on growing is. It's not just you have to stop thinking of things as just a human. And you got to think of things as being a divine source and being a part of the divine source. And when you think of yourself as the divine source, you see yourself as plant-like and as part of the universe. You have always been and always will be. You feel me? You will always be and you will always be. Man, this is a bar right here. Yes, man. That's the one thing that I found out. Society, we got to get out of society, because society is a created thing like a corporation. Societies have been created, but life has always been. Trees has always been, and now we got to get out of this microwave society and start to become tribal and earth-linked beings and a part of the universe. Yes, trees take time, because trees are going to be around for a long time, and so shall you be. You know what I'm saying? You always have been and always will be. And so that's why we just keep on growing. You may not see the growth, but there's ever changing each and every day in each and every way. You feel me? And that's why the TREATZ Foundation is so important. And let me post something else for y'all. These shirts have just now dropped. And each person who buy a shirt, you're not even buying a shirt. You donating to the foundation. And with all the profits that we receive, we buy fruit trees and we plant them across the planet. You know what I'm saying? And when we move out of here, we plant the lemon tree. We're going to leave our lemon tree. So y'all see that lemon tree? Y'all, the lemon tree right there. We're going to leave it here. And we're going to leave the lemon tree here. Why? It's because we got to plant our roots where I'm loyal to the soil beneath my feet and the heavens above my head. And we're going to leave a lemon tree right here, so the next people who move into this property, they have lemons. And as long as you plant the seed, they shall see the vision. We're going to plant the seed as long as they see the vision. And so we move out of here within a year, and they're going to be able to prosper these lemons. You know what I'm saying? And it's about the children. And so if we guide our children in the right manner to allow them to see that, Mom, there's a fruit tree in our backyard. And when Marley goes and meets friends and so forth like that, and they ask her, you always have these fruits and vegetables with you. How do you always get these? They say, we have these in our home. We have a fruit tree. Come see our garden. Come see our farm. And the children start to ask their parents, Mom, I want to have a garden. I want to plant trees. You know what I'm saying? Why do we have to go to the store to get the things that keep us alive when the sun rises every single day? You know what I'm saying? There's no need to be dependent on anything because the sun rises every day. If the sun rise, I rise. Still I rise each and every way and each and every day. Straight like that. Straight like that, man. Let me share something else with y'all real quick. The new release. Oh yeah, and everything you order comes with seeds. Everything you order comes with seeds. Everything you order comes with seeds. Why? Is because I want to plant my seeds all across the land. And not just my seeds, they're our seeds. And so when you support our movement, we provide fruit and vegetable and tree seeds to you to plant them. You know what I'm saying? And so even where you live at, you plant seeds. And one of the things that I've been doing lately is when my family, our Haru, goes on a walk, I take a jar of seeds with me, no matter what the seeds are, and I plant them throughout my walk. I planted some trees, I planted some cantaloupe, some butternut squash, some potatoes, and I just plant stuff as I walk. Is because there's supposed to be vegetation. If the light hits it, it's supposed to grow. You know what I'm saying? You're supposed to be able to walk down the street and walk down the pathway and be like, Mom, I'm hungry. She'd be like, go grab a pear from that tree right there, son. Go grab an apple from that tree right there, daughter. You know what I'm saying? This earth is abundant, and we shall eat and prosper from it as it is and as it always will be. You feel me? It always is and always will be. You are the cosmic glue to everything in existence. You are the cosmic glue to everything that is in existence. Straight like that. So let me share something else with y'all. All right. Before that, let's go into these real quick. Potatoes. Potatoes help with reducing heart disease. Why? Because they have antioxidants in them. Antioxidants. Cancer is a marketing term for damaged cell. What is a damaged cells and what causes damaged cells? A damaged cell is only due to lack of oxygen to the cell, and so the cell starts to shut down. And then when the cell starts to shut down, you start to see skin irritation and things on the outside, because the skin is kind of like the third kidney. Same people why skin. Look at my face. Like, I've been putting sea moss and this sea moss gel on my face. When I tell you let me stop sharing so y'all can actually see it. And my wife makes this oil that we use. It's so less dense and it's so smooth. Like, look at my skin. Like, my skin hasn't ever felt like this or looked like this before. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, straight like that. Let's go to something else. Berries are a great source of antioxidants and also inflammation. And so they help with that and with like inflammation and so forth like that. Oh yeah, I put it in my hair too. Yep, I put it in my hair also. The sea moss gel in my hair be busting. I'm telling you, be busting. Strawberries are good for anything, for antioxidants and restoring cells. Berries is where it's at. Straight up, berries and melons. And the thing about fruits, they have H3O2s, and that's where we're supposed to receive most of our waters from, is H3O2s. Not H2O. H3O2s comes from fruits. And so if you continue to eat fruits and berries all throughout the day, you're gonna start pissing fruit juice, strawberry juice. And that's why they say urine therapy is vital and important. Not saying that you have to do it, but that's why some people can do it, is because when you eat life, you get life. Simple life. Straight like that. You get what I'm saying? H3O2. Yes. H3O2. Exactly. Is where the water comes from, the fruits. And that's where literally flavored water comes from. And so like these peaches, when we eat these peaches off of our tree, we don't have to consume water also, is because the water comes from the fruit. You know what I'm saying? Live water, not this dead ass water that they got fluoride in it, chloride in it, all kinds of bullshit in the water. No, that's not where we get our water from. You feel me? And y'all can go check my story for the rest of these fruits and vegetable things. Pineapples. Look at this. And everyone say it's hard for me to get off meat, but one thing you got to stop doing is being a middleman. A middleman is just a source for using someone else to use anybody for something. Where am I getting my protein from? Look at this. Garbanzo beans have 1 cup, 39 grams of protein. And protein, we do need protein, but more than likely we are mineral-based beings. But protein is also good, and they also have a lot of copper in these beans. They look like copper. I look like copper. She look like copper. Chickpeas are amazing. And another thing about chickpeas, after you soak them in water overnight, you can eat them just plain. Eat them plain, get throw a little sea salt on them, and just eat them plain just like that. You know what I'm saying? And so when people are like, I got to eat meat because I need my protein. Well, that's a lie, because that's what the television has told you. And they say it's hard for our children to stop eating meat and so on and so forth. You know why? It's because we haven't guided them in the right manner, so to teaching them. So this is how we're going to guide Marley to not eating her homies. Marley, do you see that cow over there? That cow is a great way to help with regeneration of precipitation. And what precipitation does, it helps it rain to nourish our fruits and our vegetables and our trees. That cow is just as important as you on this land. And that is our friend. And we work in divine order to help each other grow, to keep on growing. And so why would she try to eat her homies? We don't eat our homies. Those are our friends. Straight like that. You have to teach these things and guide these things in a way that they make sense, because they have to have a reason. They have to have a purpose, because if you're not here and you're using your divine purpose, you're just wasting air. I'm not saying it's true. I'm not saying that it's not. But all these cows that's on these farms is polluting our waterways due to the nitrate, the nitrogen that's being put into the ground, all kinds of shit. All right, so you eat organic meat. To tell you the truth, there's no such thing as organic meat, because where does the cow get its protein from, or the meat get its protein from? It eats the plant, and that cow has a digestive system, and so you're just eating processed protein, processed nutrients, process. It's like being a processed person, because your body has a system of processing. You know what I'm saying? And so once you feed your body processed food, the cow has already used most of the nutrients and minerals and vital things that's utilized that you need in your body. You know what I'm saying? And so eating meat is just using it as a middleman. You know what I'm saying? And another thing about meat is that your biological makeup is not designed to consume meat. It is a fact. Your biological makeup is not designed to eat meat. It doesn't have any benefit to you, but causes inflammation, mucus, and causes cells to be damaged. You know what I'm saying? So meat is an illusion, and organic is just another buzzword, because they sell organic grapes with no seeds. It's a buzzword. It's a marketing word. They do these things to confuse people. But to each is his own. You know what I'm saying? You can do as you please. No harm, no foul. But you know what I'm saying? Another thing about meat, it causes they shoot these animals up with these metals and these metals and irons and things like that. It causes your body to become dense, and when you become dense, that's when dis-ease starts to settle in. Because the valves in your body aren't able to flow. You know what I'm saying? That's all meat does. Meat causes you to become dense. GMO, exactly. GMO. Just because it say organic don't mean it's good for you, because they sell organic grapes with no seeds. There's no such thing. You know what I'm saying? One of the things I like to ask the grocery store people when I go to the grocery store is, how do I and my family continue to grow grapes if they have no seeds? You know what I'm saying? It's hard to do that. So yeah, let me share this with y'all one more time. Wow. Hey, yeah, we not on here to judge. We like nature. We don't judge. So we just on here to share information. How was what possible? Yeah, everything GMO. Everything GMO. That's for sure. The last thing I wanted to show y'all real quick before I slide up off here. Oh, seedless grape. I know, right? A same way that they can make human beings with no seeds, sterilizing our women and our men. You know what I'm saying? And the other question I asked the clerks is that if these grapes have no seeds, and if I, the man, were to not have no seeds, how are we to continue to keep on growing? And they look and they scratch their head like, You know what I'm saying? And so that's important that these things are brought into the forefront, and so we can start to ask ourselves this. And so how important for us is it to grow these foods? There's a pitch in here. All right. Let me show y'all one more thing before I slide. Because Marley said it's almost time to get up off of here. Let me show you Marley. This is Mango Marley right here. Marley's getting a deal with Gerber, so they got to come through with that check. We're gonna buy hella fruit trees. Boom. Right here. Y'all go follow this page right here. The TREATZ Foundation. Y'all go follow this page right here. So everything that y'all purchase is a donation and helps us get these fruit trees and plant them across the world. You know what I'm saying? So please go do that. We are not going to follow you back on this page, because this page that I'm on right now is already shadow banned. And when you follow people back, it causes people and fake profiles to follow the page. And that shit is annoying. So yeah, go follow this page, please. You ready to go inside? All right, I think she's ready. Yeah. So yeah, y'all go follow this page. And before I slide, let me show you these peaches real quick. These peaches. Look at these beautiful peaches. Look at them peaches. Damn, girl, you thick. Ain't she thick? Baby, with that peach. Baby, you got peach on your back. Yeah. So you see the leaves are down, so we got to give her some. She gonna get some more water. We're gonna give her some banana water today, so she can get some. Let me go ahead and pin this. Y'all see that? Love always does shop. Keep on growing, and just know we're gonna send y'all some seeds. We're gonna send y'all some seeds with y'all order. And so basically, you just donating to help the cause, to help plant these fruit trees across the land. You know what I'm saying? That's what we doing. Like, imagine, you see this big ass tree next door to my neighbors. Imagine if this was a big ass apple tree, green apple tree. I'll be over there grabbing apples like snatchy. I'm gonna get me some apples. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're gonna plant that lemon tree either right there or right there where that sunflower was. And so when we leave, the people who move in next, they're gonna have abundant, a mother loving lemons. Oh yeah, banana water is good, and banana water has a lot of calcium in it, sugar, potassium, but mostly we're using it. Well, it's gonna do all them other things, but it's gonna provide sugar for our peaches, and it's gonna allow them to be nice and sweet. Sweet peach. Yep. But yeah, even if y'all don't buy none on the website, go sign up for the newsletter, because there'll be good information in there. How to grow food, things about life, shit like that. All right. Man gonna be catching them apples and everything. Catching apples. I'm telling you. Wait till this blueberry start. Look, it's already starting to grow leaves right here. We're gonna have some blueberries this season too. That's gonna be lit. I'm telling you. That's so crispy. We're gonna be making blueberry jam, blueberry wine. Not playing. Blueberry peach jelly. I'm telling you, we're gonna make some peach jelly. We're gonna make some goddamn apple, hella apple juice. That's why trees important. You can do so much with bushes and shit. You know what I'm saying? These are gonna be so good. I love blueberries. Yep. So yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we got the whole garden going. Wait till y'all see our next property we're about to get. It's gonna be fat and it's gonna be on the river. Our property's on it's on the river, right? It's beautiful. It's hella big and it's on the river. Yep, that's all you gotta say. And we're gonna clean the river too. We're gonna clean the river. Yep. So let me post this real quick. I know I said I was gonna get off here, but man, go cop y'all one of these Keep On Growing shirts, and we're gonna send y'all some seeds. We're gonna send y'all some seeds so y'all can grow, and they're gonna be some nice seeds, and so you can grow them this season because the season has started. And people be talking about sporting events. This is the season. Season of growing has started. You know what I'm saying? So still I rise, keep on growing, and keep on going. Go cop y'all one of these shirts right here. And yes, actually, you're not buying a shirt. You're buying you providing a source of stability for your family. You're not buying a shirt. You're providing stability for your family. You're not buying a shirt. You're providing stability for your family. Quick story, right? Quick story. There was this place out in Eugene, Oregon, somewhere out in Oregon, right? And these people wanted to start a community garden. They wanted to start a community garden. And what they did was they dug a little trench, they cleared out some space, and they put plastic underneath the ground, on the ground, and then they placed some pallets on top of the plastic, thick ass plastic. And they wanted to start a garden. But what they didn't know is that the plastic was so thick, it was like a tarp, that the roots wouldn't be able to plenish the tarp to even get into the ground to produce. And so what that told me is that a lot of this information to growing food isn't common for a lot of people. And so if we don't know the simplest things, how to grow the smallest of foods, it's like you can grow peppers inside of your house and know that you can't put a thick ass tarp on the ground and think it's going to bust through the ground to produce you food. We're going to be in trouble. And we can prevent that from happening. Let me smell her feet. Look at her little foot. Oh yeah, we ain't been on her long. Her mama on here, so she about to call me, but like, put her some clothes on. You know she hot. Or she hopped off here. But yeah, we out here sunbathing on everything. My little shorty right here. Let me stop sharing. But yeah, y'all go ahead, head over to the site. Grab this, grab that. I'm going to leave this post up for like 30 minutes. I'm going to save it. I'm going to download it. And yeah. And go follow the TREATZ Foundation. I'm going to actually, after this, I'm going to go into my story and I'm going to tag the page so you can just tag it and go on from there. But last thing I want to say to y'all is keep on growing, keep on glowing, and keep on living. Thank y'all for coming by the Garden of Treats, and I look forward to seeing y'all again. Ucha.